These are my birds. They're my friends.
Your friends?
They're my friends.
Why do you refer to them as friends?
Because when I'm alone, Bobby and the rest of them, they're my friends.
So which one is Bobby?
This is Bobby. Bobby! Bobby! Say hi to my friend. They have camera.
Hi, Bobby!
He's been talking. Bobby, say hello to my friend. Give me a head. Give me a head.
Wow.
Bobby, give me a head. Come give me a head. Come.
Wow.
Come give me a head. Come give me a head. Thank you, Bobby. Right? Bobby. Bobby, 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 Bobby. Bobby is old.
How old is Bobby?
Bobby lives here for 8 years now.
8 years?
He's been living here for 8 years, isn't it? You've been here for 8 years. All right?
Wow.
And he talks well.
Wow.
He talks very well. He talks to my friends too.
You love birds?
Oh yes, I love them. They are the best creature one could have, and makes you it makes you release a lot of love. They have different messages.
Different messages. Mm-hmm. Their sounds.
They give messages. Sorry.
This is the colors. They also come in unique, amazing colors.
You are looking at the colors.
Yes,
they are different. This is different from this. This is different from all this. Different from this and different from this.
Wow. Wow. So we just saw an
ostrich. Ostrich.
Wow. And
wife.
Wow.
His wife died a few weeks ago now.
Few weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Hi, Pippi. Pippi.
How old is Pippi?
Pippi has been here for like 11 years.
11 years?
He's been here for 11 years. Pippi, hi.
Wow.
Come, Pippi. Come, Pippi.
Do they mourn?
Oh, Pippi is okay. Pippi, come.
Wow.
Mm.
Do they mourn to after losing?
Of course. And I have this too.
What's this, sir?
Square. These are my geese. These are my tortoise, and those are my Chinese geese, Chinese geese and other birds. And those are my other birds.
Some of them are foreign.
They are what?
They are foreign.
Oh yes, they are foreign. Those ones are quail. Quail are there. And
crocodile. Wow.
I have my crocodile here. There are 4.
Wow. You love pets?
Oh yes. I've had them for ages. I have my crocodiles since 1994.
1994.
I've had most of my crocodiles. And I have over there I have my Adeoriokin.
Adeoriokin? And that was what brought about the song. That is
Peacock.
A particular music that when we hear and all over the world, even we've seen the whites dancing to it. And how did you get the song?
Adeoriokin. See their hair, that's their crown.
Wow.
Adeoriokin. They're beautiful when they hold their tails.
And that is what you mean by the Adeoriokin.
Adeoriokin.
And that's why we see you doing your head like this.
Adeoriokin. Adeoriokin. How you doing? When I sing for them, they dance.
Wow.
That's why this one can come. And those ones, they're gazelle.
Gazelle.
Gazelle. And
a mini zoo for your grandchildren when they come around?
Well, many people comes here.